Okay, so in these videos, I will try to use Tavily as well. So this is basically health content ideas. I was create 30 health content ideas using the ChatGPT. So what exactly I want to do, want to try to do, that I'm draw a workflow that is schedule ticker. So every morning or every midnight, you will give me the health regarding the some health tips. So this is the Google sheet here. So uh, first schedule trigger every morning or every midnight, and then it will come to the Google sheet here. So I'm going to add here Google sheet. So after Google sheet, he will get the content idea from the Google sheet every day, and then it will come to the Tably from the search, and he will get some content idea from the Tably, and he will ask he will give the content, all of those content in the AI agent, and he will process all of this content, and he will update the content in sheet. Then he will give me everyday Gmail message. So this is the basically a workflow. So in AI agent there will be a embedding models here. So all of those things I will go through the practical way. So first of all, I would like to add a trigger that is schedule trigger. So this is the schedule trigger basically. So I'm going to be select every days, and I'm going to select a midnight or a 6 a.m. or anytime a day between the trigger every day one time. So I can select the trigger as well. So at this moment I want to trigger manually because I want to do the process now. So I'm going to add the sheet Google sheet here sheet, as well as just get rows from the sheets, and you see that there is a sheet item help content ideas. So first, this is the sheet one. If I going to execute this step, he will return all of those data here. So I'm going to check all. Here is a 30 data. So at this moment I need first row, first data. Okay, so what can I do? I'm going to add a filter here. So I'm going to select the status. This is the column status, and value is, let's say, to do is the value. So I'm going to here another options, return only first passing row. This I on, and if I execute this step, it will return only the first row. Okay, so after getting the first row, I want to search in this in on Tavily. So I'm going to uh, add a HTTPS request here. So this is the basically the HTTPS request here. So this is the previous node. So I want to go to goes on the Tavily here. So this is the Tavily. So if you go to the search on the Tavily here, so first you need to sign in. So I have logged in. So I'm going I already I signed in here. So you just create your account and you get 1,000 credits every day. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to documentations here. So API reference here. So there is a different type of API reference: table search, table extract, scroll, map. So at this moment I'm going to use the search. Okay, so here is some status as well. So in next videos I will discuss about it. Okay, so at this moment I'm just copy the crawl command, so that it's more easy for me. I'm just insert the crawl command here, and it will automatically paste everything's here. Okay, so there need to be token here. So just API keys, I'm just delete this one. I'm going to copy the demo API key from here. Okay, you can create API key from here, or you can use the default as well. So I'm going to add here the key as well. So this all are done. I'm going to save. Let's see if I execute the step. Okay, before that, there is a JSON body. If I express it, so this will be search who is Leo Messi. Okay, so at this moment, it's if I going to execute a step, there is a bad request because the detail start date and after date. Okay, so what can I do here? So I'm just going to delete those two items here, start date and sorry, Control Z. There is. Okay, so at this moment, if I search execute a step, you see that there is a answer comes, who is Leo Messi. This is the query. So at this moment, I didn't want this query. I want the query from the previous node. That is, if I So not exactly it is JSON as well. So I'm going to add the query from the previous node. This is the query I required. Importance of staying hydrated. This is the query. So what's happened here? I don't know. Fixed. If I go in here, so this is not for me. Okay, so there is a mistake. So I'm going to topic here. Sorry, sorry for here. JSON dot topic. Control C or Control X, and this is the topic. So importance of staying uh, staying hydrated. So this is the topic. I'm going to execute this step. At this moment the query will be like based on the previous node. This is the important of staying hydrated. So this is the previous this is the answer of, if I going to schema here. Okay, so uh this is the answer. So overall the health. Okay, so I am going to I'm going to process it from using AI node. Okay, so let's say I'm going to add a AI node here. So this is the AI agent here. So I'm going to define below answer. Mm, mm, I'm going to add the answer. Okay, so okay, so at this moment, I'm going to add a chat model here. So Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, so I'm going to get the answer from here. Okay, so it will I want to process it and I want to execute this step and I'm going to uh, uh get answer. Okay, so what I can do, I can give a system prompt here. So let's say system message, that is staying hydrated and boosted physical performance, support our brains and function. So you just get a message from the previous node and then you just create an email. Okay, so you just get message. You are let's say at this moment we need to give him a proper prompt so that we can get the proper message from here. So staying hydrated boosted the physical performance and support brain. So we just get an answer. Okay, so important of staying hydrate. Okay, so uh, you just get mm, uh rate mm, rate a post regarding the regarding topic that to get from previous note. Let's see. Create a post. What he make a message. Okay. Mm, previous staying hydrated boosted the physical performance and support brain function. Okay. Had the post based on the LinkedIn general social media post feeling. Okay. So he just give me a he just give me a post idea. So I didn't want to post idea. So at this moment I want to get a mail, right? So okay. Okay. So uh create a mail. Okay, mail. So you just create email body. Okay, so just create email body from here. Okay, so okay, so mm, not subject Okay. Okay. I'm just told him to do not create the subject. Okay. So I will create this. I will give him just a friendly reminder that about the interview information of saying adaptability and hybrid. It's just not okay. So we just get the answer from here. Okay. At this moment, I'm going to update the sheet as well as. So mm, full sheet, simple sheet here. Okay. Append row, append row in a sheet. Okay. Choose from health content idea. Choose sheet one. Okay. This column manually. So topic will be get pros important of hydrated AI. So this is the topic, and status will be done. Okay, the content will be this. Okay, okay. Then I want to create what it will create. Let's schedule the trigger. So it will get the data and process the data. It's updated in the Google Sheet here. So if I going to here, sorry. Okay, so it's already created a new sheet here. So uh so mm, it's a create a new sheet. I don't didn't need the new sheet here. So I'm going to add here. So I'm going to here update rows. Okay, so get row update rows. Okay, so just a minute. I'm going to again delete this one. I'm going to full sheet here. Okay, so update rows in the sheet. I'm going to select here content ideas. Okay, Google Sheet. So select column on match. So at this point, we need to select the column so that it can update it. Okay, so select column match on the topic. Okay, so we can select the topic as well as the row number. Okay, so we can select column as a topic, row number. So this is the row number. So this row number topic is importance of uh, importance of string hydrate. Okay, so I'm going to select here the status is done. So basically then content will be this one. Okay, so at this moment what will be happen, so if I execute this step, it get the first matching row to do, and it's going to the agent and it's update the row. Look at this. So it will updated the row, and its status is done, and this is the content. Okay, so at this moment you see that whenever it's going to create the next one, it will get the to do is to do, and that is its status is to do. So it will get the rows of the third rows. If I going to execute this step, you see it's get the third rows. Okay, benefit of 8 hour sleeps. Okay, I hope you understood my point at this moment. So whenever it's done, it will go to the get the second rows details. Okay, so the first row is done. So at this moment I'm going to send the email as well. So I'm going to send email here. Okay, so before that, uh let's say I'm going to send email here. Send email. Okay, so we can use this one as well. So at this moment I'm going to Gmail, use Gmail here. So I'm going to send message here, send a message. Okay, so before that I'm going to execute the previous note. Okay, so what I do, I'm just execute the workflow here. So it's search on the table here and get the item here, and it's updated the row in a sheet. So I'm going to add this one as well. So at this moment you see that, so where I need to send, so I can send it to me, so that it can everyday send to me the update. So subject would be the topic, benefit of 8 hour sleep, and here is the content. Okay, so I'm going to add the content as a text. So this is the content. Okay, I'm going to add the append attributions. Okay, so let's say I'm going to best triggers. Okay, so mm, from by Siam. So it will create like a message from by Siam. Okay, so let's see what happened here. So I already added. So at this moment, this content is done. 8 hours sleep. This content is done, and the power of morning, more power of morning stressing or yoga. So we need to add search this one at this moment. So I'm going to execute this step. Okay, so let's see. It search on the internet and update the rows and send me the mail. Okay, so I'm going to check my email as well. So let's see. Okay, so the power of morning stressing yoga. So this is the message. Hi team. So hi team, I want to share the quick thought about the boost of the day and few minutes. So what you can do at this moment, you just remove this one and you just delete this one and you just schedule the trigger. So you just schedule ticker as well as your favorite days or time. Okay, so this is the basically ticker workflow. So you can create and you can alert with your team and any other family members so that he can get them get this message and he can get the 30 days tips. Or you can here is the health tips. You can make a diet as well. So this is the entire workflow. So it will remember automatically. So I hope all of you guys enjoy it and you will get the necessary documents in the descriptions or comment, first comment. Thank you so much.